speaks Galerinha Beauty. I'm back here with another video for you guys, right? And then what did you find new there, right? From Bob's engine, then Bob running again, right? I was very happy, man, and morale with the result. Both in its intelligence and in its functioning, right? In his performance. It's softening there in the engine, right? But man has changed completely the way he did. And today I'm here, right? To show you a little more here. From him back here. I'm with the Snow White. I just changed the air filter here. I put the mine I had bought, right? To put on Bob before giving him a problem, right? And there is a filter here brand new. This click here is also new. The carburetor I cleaned. I regulated everything, right? So now it's 0. 008. Here we are with Bob. Haha, moleque. I missed this card here. You have no idea. Mine a month and a bit there, right? Away from me, nope. And from you there too. But now it's back in full force, right then? Here, or... new toy. It got like this... the way I wanted... Thank God. The hose needs to be plugged in here, right from the generator. But I'll buy it so I can call... and the rest is all right. The clay here from the carburetor... I was using 135. Remember when you were 1,300? It was just too much, right? And for me, it was good. The car's performance was good. I was just overdoing it. And in this one, I left 127.5. He was giving a little bit of excess. I put 130 to see it. Also gave a little bit of excess, and then I said, I will leave the original pattern that came with that carburetor, right? Which is for 1,500 and 1,600. Then I left with 120 in the main, 70 in slow motion, and 60 in the right, 135 on the flute. And only? So it's... looks like it's turned out nice now. I just put this spurt on, right? He deu one correct here in it, and we're going to see how it's getting here, right? Just hitting the key. Oh, I will not accelerate. Hit. That's it. Then you saw it just hit. Pick up and walk out. The regulation went right. And that's it. I'm going for a walk afterwards, right? Test to be able to see if this configuration was cool. Anything I'm getting right. I'm changing the squirt there, right? To even get good, right? But otherwise, everything is perfect there. Thank God the car is very strong. Our answering on time. It's a recovery. Amazing. Up to third. Sometimes you're third, you step. He replies. Face is looking like, it's better than new car, man. It's crazy. No comment. I'm going to film a little bit more of him here for you, right? For you. Thanks, you liked it. Already leave your like, subscribes to the channel, share with your friends there. And anything. Comment there also that I will be answering beauty. Valeu, guys. Until the next one I went.